There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Sunday, March 7th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. Bitcoin price hits 51K as U.S. Senate passes $1.9 trillion stimulus. JPMorgan sends its private clients a primer on crypto. Bitcoin could prevent society from functioning and is an extreme form of libertarian anarchism. But first, the price of Bitcoin is up 6.71% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 51,146, a high of 51,244, and a low of 47,666. That's $1 for 1,957 Satoshis, just on the other side of the 2,000 Satoshi barrier. Volume was at 5,093 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 93% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance is at 80%. That's 20 Satoshis for a penny. Bitcoin price hits 51K as U.S. Senate passes $1.9 trillion stimulus.
There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
That's a lot of money. Bitcoin reaches 51K as the U.S. Senate greenlights $1,400 stimulus checks for Americans. U.S. President Joe Biden said that the Senate's approval shows major progress in delivering a desperately needed stimulus bill to Americans, saying, "Today I can say that we've taken one more giant step forward in delivering on that promise, that help is on the way. It wasn't always pretty, but it was so desperately needed, urgently needed." Why is the stimulus bullish for Bitcoin price? When a stimulus bill gets passed, it immediately relaxes the financial conditions in the U.S. The past year has shown the effect of such measures, raising investors' appetite for risk-on assets, including stocks and cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin. In April 2020, when the first stimulus bill was passed, it coincided with a massive bull run in both the U.S. equities market and the cryptocurrency market. Naturally, investors anticipate the second stimulus package to have a similar effect on the price of Bitcoin in the short term. Peter Brandt, a longtime trader, said the devaluation of the purchasing power of the U.S. dollar had only started. The combination of a devaluing dollar and the new stimulus package would likely cause market sentiment around Bitcoin to improve. Brandt wrote, "The devaluation of the purchasing power of the US dollar has only just begun. This is why Bitcoin, real estate, US equities, and commodities will continue to trend higher when expressed in USD fiat terms." If the U.S. stock market begins to recover after a week-long pullback, it could further catalyze Bitcoin, given that equities and cryptocurrencies fell in tandem during the recent correction. JPMorgan sends its private clients a primer on crypto. The report, which was produced in February 2021 and obtained by CoinDesk on Friday, has been distributed to clients of JPMorgan Private Bank, which requires a minimum balance of $10 million to open an account. The report breaks down how Bitcoin could be valued, applying three different metrics: the number of users, the value of gold, and the global monetary supply. If applying a version of Metcalfe's law, that Bitcoin's value is proportional to the square of the number of users, it would be worth 21,667. If applying the current value of gold to the max supply of 21 million Bitcoin, it would be valued at $540,814. Whereas applying the global value of money to Bitcoin's max supply would place the crypto's valuation at $1.9 million per coin. Bitcoin could prevent society from functioning and is an extreme form of libertarian anarchism. Sounds true. A portfolio manager at one of London's leading hedge funds has warned that Bitcoin, probably the best known cryptocurrency, has no real social utility other than as a tool for speculation and a means to launder the proceeds of crime. Tim Bond, partner and portfolio manager at O'Day Asset Management, also told MarketWatch it was damaging the planet. To my mind, Bitcoin is a particularly vile asset class. If Bitcoin starts to displace fiat currencies, government-issued currency that is not backed by a commodity, government's ability to tax, spend, and redistribute will be severely impaired. In this sense, Bitcoin is the spearhead of a particularly extreme form of libertarian anarchism, which is presumably why it's also so popular in Silicon Valley. O'Day Asset Management, which has over $3 billion in funds under management, was established in 1991 by billionaire Crispin O'Day. Bond said neither he nor it has a holding in Bitcoin. We've reached our goal for our new laptop fundraiser, but we're still fundraising because new laptops are expensive and you know the price is always rising. Donate now using on-chain Bitcoin and the QR code on your screen. Or try out the Lightning Network at Tallycoin, tallyco.in, or link in the description below. You can get a Lightning wallet at Strike on your Android or Apple phone. Just connect your bank account to Strike and you can make an invoice and send Lightning there. It's amazing. Watch right now. I've selected $2 in the invoice. $2? Where's my $2? It's a throwback there. John Cusack. Better off dead. Click the Lightning button. Tallycoin will generate an invoice and it'll even send along that text. Where's my $2? Click pay in your wallet of Satoshi or in the Strike wallet, and you can send directly to a Lightning QR code. It's paid. Right here, we have 116 contributors. It says, $2. Where's my $2? We've also got a $1 donation from Thanks Thomas. My first Lightning transaction. Cool stuff. Very cool. $2 donation. Power of Strike. Get it now. $5 donation. We also had a penny, a $5 donation, another penny. 10 sats is small, it says. 50 cents, $2, 33.02, and 22.54. A guy says, I appreciate your work on your YouTube channel. Thanks so much to everybody for donating. You can donate now in the description down below or at Tallycoin, or just by using that QR code on your screen. You can jump over any platform that you're watching this on. Isn't that amazing? You could be on YouTube or Twitter or Periscope or Facebook or Twitch or anywhere. And the Bitcoin just jumps over all of that. All through your cable system, all through the internet, everything. Hey, check it out. We just got the brand new HAL Finny mug. That's right here in my hand, the HAL Finny. You can get that at shop.worldcryptonetwork.com. Thanks to Philippe for designing the HAL Finny mug based on some of my ideas. We worked together on this. So I think it came out really good. It has a real old school computer company kind of vibe to it, especially I think on a worn out t-shirt. This will be a nice logo once you wear it some more. Hey, there's my t-shirt. I wish I'd gotten a size larger, but there it is. The HAL Finny t-shirt on a person in the world. How cool is that? You can get yours at shop.worldcryptonetwork.com. We've got different sizes and makes and colors. We've also got Trezors Don't Float, version 2.0. Don't put your treasure on a boat. Your treasure don't float. And check it out. Many Bitcoiners interviewed said it was their first computer. Happy birthday to the ZX81, the ZX Spectrum, as many called it. Check out our playlist of Bitcoiners' first computers right here on the World Crypto Network or in the description below. You can find out what was Adam Back's first computer, what was Max Hillerbrand's first computer, what about Slush from Slush Pool, those and many more in our first computer interview series. And watch the full interview to learn more about them. Good stuff. Traveled the world, did interviews. Now you can watch them for free. All you have to do is subscribe to the World Crypto Network down below and browse some playlist. Browse playlist. The price of Bitcoin is up 6.68% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 51,105, a high of 51,350, and a low of 47,666. That's $1 for 1,956 Satoshis. Volume was at 5,202 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 93% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 80%. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give us a thumbs up. You can just go around, thumbs up all the YouTube videos you want. That's the way to do it. Helps everyone, helps more people find the show. Your thumbs up are valuable. You can also subscribe to the World Crypto Network. And that's about it. Until next time, bye-bye.
There's an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.